Offering house-like proportions with over 150 square metres on title, all of this tucked away in one of the lower North Shore's most sought-after enclaves. My name is Soineva and welcome to another Pello property. Nestled amongst beautifully landscaped gardens, this refreshed apartment offers 3 well-sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and secure parking with storage. The interiors have just been updated with fresh paint, timber floors throughout the living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. One of the things I love most about this property has to be its indoor-outdoor flow to the balcony. It's leafy, private and perfect for entertaining and unwinding. At the heart of the home, the kitchen is designed for both everyday cooking and entertaining, with an abundance of cupboard space, generous bench surfaces, quality stainless steel appliances and gas cooking. There's also a full-size laundry tucked neatly off the kitchen, adding to the functionality of the layout. The main bedroom includes a walk-in robe and ensuite, while the family bathroom offers a separate bath and shower, all set in a peaceful central position. Just steps to Anderson Park, Hayes Street Wharf, local shops and minutes to North Sydney or the CBD. Thank you for coming on the tour with me today of this beautiful house-like apartment. I look forward to welcoming you at the next inspection.